goal is for you to take the issues that are ARs, that's at the surface of the water. We're back to the iceberg, okay? And we want to get it deeper and deeper under that iceberg. We're looking for pain, fear, and gain. Those are the three motivators for change. Which is the strongest? It's pain. Which is the second? Fear. Which is the worst gain? Okay. Some of you are engaging in this program because of pain that we were able to identify in our meeting. Some of you are doing it because of fear about the future if you don't make changes. And some of you just want to improve things because you know there's room for improvement. It doesn't matter. As long as there's an incentive to change and it's your own personal incentive, you're made to change. Congratulations. Sometimes I have to dig really hard. Sometimes I don't. Same thing with you. When you start doing questioning, sometimes you're going to have to dig really hard. Does Mike H have to dig really hard to get information on a divorce? No, he just has to sit there and shut up and wait. And people are going to tell him their whole life story and how horrible life is. Same thing in general litigation. Okay. But what about someone that's like in IP? Maybe there's less pain there, right? It's more dissatisfaction with something. Well, that might be a tougher motivation to overcome, or tougher, a meeting to have to get that to change. So what we want to do is we want to move from the question and getting that top challenge out. And this is the kind of stuff we're going to hear. Our lawyer's not being responsive like he used to be. Our current supplier is messing up and it's costing us thousands. My VP of sales left and is starting up a competitive business with me, Greg Abrams. Okay, my partner's gone crazy. We don't have an agreement in place, Carrie. Okay, so whatever it is that you're hearing, those are the ARs. Are these ARs or are these CRs? Are these compelling reasons or are these apparent reasons? Are we walking or are we sprinting with these? Clint?
These are apparent reasons. We're walking, but we're getting closer.
Some people in this room, some people on this call would say these are compelling reasons. I'm not going to put you guys on the spot, but you might hear this and go, wow, my partner's gone crazy. We don't have an agreement in place. That's a compelling reason. This person's needs to change right away. I better start telling him my solutions. And I'm going to caution you not to do it. Don't fall into the trap. We want to keep asking questions and getting deeper and deeper and deeper, peeling the onion. You get the gist. That's where the business is. That's where the urgency is.